welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaela and today I'm bringing you another Kmart haul. Yes, oh my god, I've been wanting to do a Kmart haul for so long and I went in there and finally they're getting some more stock in, which is so exciting because my Kmart is like losing stock so much. Sorry if you can hear something in the background as well. I've got construction going on, so sorry for that. But anyways, let me stop rambling on, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Kmart hauls just like me. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially Instagram, because that is where I post all my updates, YouTube updates, fashion, all that kind of stuff on there. And yeah, let's just get straight into this video. Now, it is going to be a little bit of a short Kmart haul, but I thought I'd still show you guys what is new at Kmart. And the first thing that I got is a mug. Look how cute this mug is. Oh, I absolutely love it. I'm really into like ceramic mugs and things like that. I know this probably isn't ceramic, but I love all this kind of style. This is called the Mug Glazed Raindrop. And I think it's so cute, and I got a coffee machine for my birthday, so I have been having coffees every morning and I thought this was super cute. I just love random like one-off mugs, so I picked up that one, which I think is super cute. The next thing that I picked up is, well actually, I'll show you guys the three things that I picked up one after the other for a reason. So I picked up this book. It's called the Home Planner, and I think this is really awesome, and I love the front of the book. It looks really nice. But I got this because it's kind of like meal planning, monthly planning, all that kind of stuff. Now that I got a newborn, I kind of need to plan out some things. So it's got like, when you open it up, it's got these tabs on the side, and it's got like monthly and weekly planning, meal planning. So it's just got like months in it, meals, so you can like figure out all the meals and stuff, what you need. And actually also I did get something else, but it's on my fridge and I'm using it at the moment. But I got like, it's pretty much this page on my fridge, and it showed like, it's just like what you need from the shopping center. So if I run out of things, I just write that on there. Which you can get from Kmart as well, and it's got like a magnet so it'll stick to your fridge. Household hints and ideas, which is really awesome. So it's just got like all these kind of like things, like notes and stuff, and then at the back it says notes, which you can write stuff down. So I'm going to be using this to plan YouTube videos, plan my food, plan like the week and stuff, and like, because now I have a little baby, I need to take her places like doctors and stuff and things like that, and also plan, I want to be doing a weekly vlog and stuff every week, so I need to plan out my content and things like that. So I thought this is such a good idea to have it all in one, and I can sit it on my dining table and I can turn back to it each time. And I thought it was super cute, and it's called, I don't know what it's called, but it's in the stationery section of Kmart. Now, while on the topic of food, I've been wanting to try out some new recipes, and Kmart had two books that I wanted. I did have to order them offline Kmart because my Kmart didn't have them. But if you know Ellie Bullen from The Wholesome Life here on YouTube or on Instagram as well, she's got two cookbooks, which are vegan cookbooks. Now, I'm not a vegan, but I do like her meals, so I want to try out making her meals. So I did pick up her first cookbook, which is this one here, which was $22. It's the Elsa's Wholesome Life, and it's got like all these vegan kind of like, oh, it just looks so like delicious. All her like food. There's a few in there that I was looking at and I was like, oh, I can't wait to make them, especially smoothie ideas and things like that. and it's going to be just nice to eat a lot more healthier as well. I do want to eat a lot more healthier once my 6 weeks postpartum, all that kind of stuff is all healed up, and I can get back to doing exercise as well. I want to kind of get a lot fitter and lose my belly fat that I have from the baby. So yeah, I picked up this one to try out and test out some of her food. Now I can just add meat to the dishes for Ned and I if he wants meat as well. I know he's not a vegan, so, and I'm not a vegan either. I just wanted, I just liked some of her recipes in here. And then I also picked up her second book, the Global Vegan, which looks like this. This one was $19, and it's got heaps of yummy food in there. So many yummy dishes. Like this one really caught my eye. Salt and pepper calamari, but it's not actually calamari. It's like thick Kojak noodles, so it kind of looks like calamari for a health. Like calamari is still really healthy, but yeah. And then just all like these really nice dishes like vegan chili, which looks really nice. There was another one in here that I really wanted to try out. Like even just like her beauty smoothie bowls. Like I love smoothie bowls. So yeah, she's got heaps of stuff like that in there, and I love her books. So I'm going to be testing out some of her recipes. So yeah, follow me on Instagram because I will be showing them on there as well. And also probably in my vlogs, I will show you guys if I make any of them. So yeah, I picked up those 2 books. The next thing that I picked up was this bamboo tablet holder. Now I actually got this to hopefully fit the books on there when I'm cooking. If not, I'll use it as for our tablet anyway. We've got a tablet. But yeah, I just wanted to get something like this to see if it will fit like the book. So I can, like when I'm reading the recipe, I have it there in front of me, not like just on the kitchen bench. So I'll just open it up for you guys and have a quick sticky beak. So it just looks like that. It's just the bamboo book stand. So tablet book stand. So hopefully it'll fit the book, but it's just got like a stand. Yeah. So I'll probably test that out after this to see if it actually fits, but hopefully it does. But yeah, I just picked it up so I can stick it on my kitchen bench. The next thing I picked up is again for cooking, and I don't know if I can fit it in frame, but I've been wanting a big wooden chopping board to put in the kitchen. I'm finding it very hard to find one, but I went to Kmart and I found this. It's very massive, but it's pretty much like a big board. It's meant to be for cheeses. It's called extra large paddle board. So I'm going to use it as like a chopping board. I'm just going to keep it on the kitchen bench so it looks aesthetically pleasing, and I can chop up everything and just wipe it down. Hopefully it'll look good, but yeah, I'm really excited to like keep this on the bench. I think it looks really nice, and I think it'll be really handy for just like chopping up things and making like a lot of my food and stuff aesthetically pleasing for videos and things like that. So yeah, I picked up this massive paddle board. Still going with cooking, I picked up 2 bowls. Now I did pick up more of these plates, just like one-off plates, so I can do like photos with them. But I picked up bowls this time when I went to Kmart, and they're just called the irregular large bowl, and it's like a speckle bowl. Oh, I can hear Baba crying. I think Ned's going to go get her. Yeah. So it's just like a speckled bowl, so I can stick all my smoothie bowls and things like that in there. So I did pick up 2 of those. They're very cheap from Kmart. They're like $7, which is amazing. I also picked up a pink paring knife. I didn't have a small knife. It's called the colored paring knife. I didn't have a small knife in my kitchen, I've only got big ones, so I just picked up a small knife, and I think it's cute because it's pink. Now they had these back in stock, which I have them in my baby's room if you've seen my nursery tour. They're the, what is it, rectangular tray, and I just have Bubba's like things in there, just like her like socks and all that kind of stuff. So I picked up 2 more of these. I did want another 2 to put in there in the shelves, so I did pick up 2 of these. I really like them. They just look really nice and they fit in the shelf areas. So yeah, I picked up 2 of them. They're like a woven like basket kind of thing, and they've just got like a white in it, and it kind of looks really beachy, so I really like how they look. And the last thing that I picked up from Kmart was a little outfit for Bubba. I just picked up this little outfit in 3 zeros, and it's the kids sleepwear. I probably won't use it as sleepwear, it'll probably be just her like day wear, but I thought this was really cute. Yeah, so I just picked up that, and it's got like little bottoms, and I thought it was really cute. So yeah, so that is everything that I picked up from Kmart. I really hope you enjoyed this like mini haul. I did get a lot of cooking stuff, I know, but I really want to start getting into cooking and making some healthier dishes. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!